Hi everyone, welcome to your new college life. I'm Dr. Anusuya Hazarika, senior psychologist and assistant professor from lovely professional university. From a psychologist's point of view, let me tell you in this new campus life how to make new friends, because we are all excited that we are going to make new friends, new people, new university and new campus life. So there are some traits that can help you make better friends. While choosing your friends, we would want somebody who would help you to shine brighter, who is here to not diminish your shine, but actually encourage you. So, the first thing to look forward is choose people who will uplift you, who will help you shine you brighter, who will be your biggest cheerleader. Second trait to look for is people with growth mindset. Most often it sometimes happens that we choose friends or we have people in our life that are very negatively oriented. But if you want to have a positive mindset and achieve bigger things in life, then you need to choose people with a growth mindset, with people who have high values, high goals, so that you can learn from them. Third trait to look for is broaden your horizon. Yes, it would be lovely to have friends who have similar background, similar understanding, but when we meet different people with diversity who has a different idea, maybe they will bring that newness into your life. Maybe they will broaden your horizon and help you explore the world. The fourth thing to look for in friends who will make you shine brighter is honesty. People who honestly give you positive feedback, not just say the right thing at the right time, but also embrace you and embrace your individuality, but also with positive feedback, with lot of honesty, so that you can shine brighter. They don't compete with you. You some Because sometimes we find friends who are competing with us even without knowing. They need to love you, accept you, and be there for you and be happy in your achievements. And same goes for you. Choose friends that will make you shine brighter and make sure you are that candle in your life which make them shine brighter. Thank you so much and share this with a friend that you think will help from this.